Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Nissan Kicks. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure battery replacement. Now let's safely disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating the negative battery terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and then remove the negative cable first. Next, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove that cable. Finally, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This sequence prevents electrical shorts. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive cable to the new battery's positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, attach the negative cable to the negative terminal, ensuring a snug fit. This order is crucial. To complete the process, secure the new battery firmly in place using its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. Next, apply a thin, even layer of anti-corrosion grease to both the positive and negative terminals. This helps prevent future corrosion and ensures a strong connection. Finally, start your Nissan Kicks to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Regular checks can help maintain your battery's health for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.